South District Police, Madgaon has done a commendable job by detecting the heinous crime of sexual assault and robbery on a young couple, in which a young woman was sexually assaulted and both of them were robbed also. They were assaulted and threatened also. The incident happened on 24th evening around 9:15, whereby three men from Indore, which we subsequently came to know that they are from Indore, they had robbed and sexually assaulted one young girl. All the three accused have been arrested and they have admitted to their offense, and the rest of the investigation is in progress.
अटक केल्ल्या इंदोरचे आरोपी राम संतोष भुरिया, संजीव धनंजय पाल आणि ईश्वर माकवाना हाचे पयलीं खंय गोंयांत आयिल्ले. इंदोरांतूय तांचेर असल्यो केशी आसात.
One accused is Ishwar Makwana, the other one is Sanju.
Complete names.
Hanji?
Complete name.
Ishwar Makwana. Yes. Age should be around 24. And Sanju, he is around 25. And Ram, Sanju, son of Dhananjay Pal. And Ram, son of Santosh. They are around 24, 25, all three of them. Yes, they have visited before also, few years back, and interesting thing is that they have been involved in crime in Indore also. One of them was involved in a case of theft, rape, and interestingly, subsequently he married the girl who has decamped with him, who has eloped with him.
अटक केल्ल्या गँगात एकलो टीचर, एकलो 9वेक शिकपी स्टुडंट.
One of them is a student of 9th class, and Sanju is a teacher. He is teaching students of 9th, 10th standard, and Ishwar is just a casual worker. He is doing the work of beldari. So that's all.
They all come together.
Yes, they have come together.
तिगांची खंय बोल्सां रिकामी जाल्ल्यान तांकां कोणाक तरी लुटपाचो आशिल्लो. तेच वेळार तांणी सामुहीक बलात्काराचें कर्म केलें.
In fact, they were short of money, so they decided that they should rob somebody, and they in fact stole one quota also just to commit this offense. The fisherman weapon, which is used by instrument, which is used by the fisherman. So that means the intention was there to commit the robbery and the sexual assault.
ते तिगांनी ते 20 वर्सांच्या चलयेचेर बलात्कार करून ताचो व्हिडिओ आनी फोटो काढले आणि उपरांत तांकां ब्लॅकमेलिंग सुरू केलें.
One of the accused, he had taken the mobile number of this victim because he had filmed the entire sexual assault incident. They had the intention of extorting money from them. After they had run away from the spot, in the morning they rang up this girl that we have made your movie, so in case you want this movie back, so come at a particular point which is part of investigation, and then we will hand over the images or video images. So this is how the police get it.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस आणि भीमा पाटील.